everyone. I take this splendid opportunity to extend a warm welcome to all the distinguished guests, teachers, students and parents on this nostalgic occasion of English Teacher Ceremony 21-22. Today's celebration is a proud moment for every child to shoulder the responsibilities and be the torchbearer for tomorrow. So let's get started.
Humans without knowledge, patience, background, education, character, experience, religion are burden on earth. They are like animal raising in the form of human. Good morning, everyone. Something is really clean in today's atmosphere. There's a sweet smell in the air, and the aura created is definitely giving us a pleasing welcome. We embrace you all to the Investor Ceremony 2021 and we immensely delighted to greet our present dignitaries. Reverend Ashutosh Bhardwaj Sir, Chairman St. Angels, esteemed Seema Bhardwaj Ma'am, Principal St. Angels, Most Reverend Arjun Bhardwaj Sir, Director St. Angels, respected D.A. Mishra Sir, HOD Science.
Reverend Shweta Bhardwaj Ma'am, Digital Head St. Angels, Neelam Singh Ma'am, Vice Principal St. Angels, Pratima Mukherjee Ma'am, Head Mistress St. Angels, Geeta Ma'am and Abha Ma'am, Senior Coordinators, Devya Ma'am, Middle Coordinator. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause.
A student council is a curricular or extracurricular activity for students where powers are decentralized among them. The purpose of the student council is to give students an opportunity to develop leadership by organizing and carrying out school activities and service projects. In addition to planning events that contribute to school spirit and community welfare, the student council is the voice of the student body. So let's get ready for the coronation ceremony and witness the budding leader step forward to keep the purple flag of St. Angels high.
When darkness comes, let us not condemn the dark, but light a lamp to live deep. Light and brightness has always been equated with positivity, motivation, harbinger of good, and associated with spiritual beings. Light is a form and a symbol of day. The lamp is invoked, and in the presence of divine light, we, with our folded hands, pray to Almighty.
Vakritam Mahakaya, Suryakoti Samaprabha, Nirvignam Kurme Deva, Sarvakayeshu Sarvada.
The lamp burns only to give a message of peace and light to the mind. The presence of Agni, fire, ensures success. Fire is one of the 5 elements that form the human body and is a transformed form of Surya. This is its greatness. Therefore, we would like to request the dignitaries to kindly come forward for the propitious lighting of lamp ceremony.
ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा ॐ सरस्वती महाभागे विद्ये कमललोचने विद्यारूपि विशालाक्षि विद्यादेहि नमोऽस्तुते नमोऽस्तुते नमोऽस्तुते।
गणपते नमो नमः सिद्धिविनायक नमो नमः कष्टविनायक नमो नमः गणपति बाबा पम गरे निरे सा निरे सा निरे सा निरे सा। माँ सरस्वती दो विमलमती सुरताल गति नभ दे जाओ। माँ सरस्वती दो विमलमती सुरताल गति नभ दे जाओ। उर्मुक्ता माल दशस्त बाल नव छंद गंध बिखराओ। माँ सरस्वती दो विमलमती सुरताल गति नभ दे जाओ। माँ सरस्वती। शतदल हंस सिंहासन राज कर वीणा मधुर मधुर बाज। तेरी सुंदर छवि पर मोहित तेरी सुंदर छवि पर मोहित मस्त मयूरासन विराज। वीणा पाणी दो मधुबाणी वीणा पाणी दो मधुबाणी सरगम लहरा से लहराओ। माँ सरस्वती दो विमलमती सुरताल गति नभ दे जाओ। माँ सरस्वती माँ सरस्वती माँ सरस्वती।
Thank you, Dimitri. There are times when we need some inspiration, uplift and motivation. Leadership is about vision and responsibility, not power. With this, I would like to welcome Reverend Seema Bhartwaj ma'am, founder Principal St. Angels, guide Selected Senior Council, with her enthusing words.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. A very good morning to all of you. It's really a matter of immense pleasure and pride to congratulate all the newly elected council students. I like to say good luck to them for their new venture. My dear children, मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि मेरा हमेशा से गुरु मंत्र रहा है ड्रीम, डिज़ायर, डिवोशन, डेडिकेशन एंड डिटर्मिनेशन. Dream and desire to achieve, dedication to complete, and determination to excel. ये काउंसिल के स्टूडेंट जो सामने बैठे हैं, जो मुझे सुन रहे हैं, my dear children, you are really very special. That is why so far you have been selected as an council student of St. Angels. It means you are ready to take the responsibility. It means you want to prove yourself. It means you feel that you are having the potential to do something more than merely doing study. बच्चों, education is not the only things, the few books you will have to learn, or you will have to secure marks in the classes, or you will have to produce the excellent result in 12th and 10th class. That is important, very important. But apart from that, you will have to learn so many things in the school. What is this? Taking responsibility, the leadership quality, having the faith in yourself, and जज्बा अपने को प्रूव करने का, जज्बा दिन पे दिन अपने को बेहतर बनाने का. अगर ये चीज़ें, बेसिक चीज़ें आप स्कूल में सीख जाते हैं, तो आपको कामयाब इंसान होने से कोई भी नहीं रोक सकता। कहते हैं माँ बाप और शिक्षक ये 3 लोग होते हैं जो समाज को बनाते हैं। और हम समाज कैसे बनाते हैं? एज एन पेरेंट्स, एज एन टीचर, यू आर द वाया मीडिया। हमारी कोशिश रहती है तुम्हें अच्छा इंसान बनाने की, हमारी कोशिश रहती है तुम्हें बेहतर से बेहतर ज्ञान देने की। इस संपूर्ण ब्रह्मांड में इतनी सारी चीज़ें हैं जिनको समझने के लिए एक ज़िंदगी भी कम पड़ती है। मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि तुम लोग आगे बढ़े और तुम्हें लगा किताबें पढ़ने के अलावा भी बहुत सारे काम हैं जो हम स्कूल में कर सकते हैं, सीख सकते हैं और आगे बढ़ सकते हैं। काउंसिल में सेलेक्ट होना एक पायदान है। आपका स्कूल आप पे फेथ करता है, आपका स्कूल का सिस्टम आप पे फेथ करता है और हमें लगता है तुम बहुत कुछ कर सकते हो। आपको एक रोल मॉडल बनना है। आपने उस परंपरा को आगे लेके जाना है जो पिछली काउंसिल के स्टूडेंट्स ने स्कूल के फ्लैग को ऊपर लेके पहुंचाया है, उससे भी आगे आपको बढ़ना है। और इस पायदान के बाद आपने राजनीति में भी कदम रख सकते हो, देश को भी संभाल सकते हो, बहुत कुछ काम ऐसे कर सकते हो। आप एक मान के चलिए, कहा जाता है कि इंसान अपनी बुद्धि का मैक्सिमम 10% इस्तेमाल करता है। जितनी ज़्यादा हम चीज़ें करेंगे, जितनी ज़्यादा हम नॉलेज करेंगे, जितना ज़्यादा हम इस दिमाग का इस्तेमाल करेंगे, ये दिमाग उतना शार्प होगा। और इसकी शार्पनेस को हमें पॉजिटिव कामों के लिए इस्तेमाल करना है। आप एक डॉक्टर बन सकते हैं, एक वकील बन सकते हैं, आप पायलट बन सकते हैं, एक इंजीनियर बन सकते हैं, आप पॉलिटिशियन बन सकते हैं। एक डॉक्टर वो भी है जो क्लिनिक खोल के बैठ जाता है। एक डॉक्टर वो भी है जो एम्स में काम करता है, रिसर्च सेंटर में काम करता है, यूएनओ में काम कर रहा है। उसके अपॉइंटमेंट लेने के लिए आपको 6-6 महीने, साल भर इंतज़ार करना पड़ता है। आपने जो भी काम पकड़ना है, जो भी काम ज़िंदगी में करना है, उसमें आपको एक्सेल करना है। ये आपको मुझे प्रॉमिस करना पड़ेगा। अब आप एक आम बच्चे नहीं रहे, अब आप भीड़ का हिस्सा नहीं हैं। आपने बताया है आप भीड़ के हिस्से नहीं हैं, भीड़ से हट के हैं। मुझे पहचानो, मैं हूँ, मैं आगे बढ़ूँगा, मैं कुछ कर सकता हूँ। और ये जज्बा सिर्फ काउंसिल तक आने के लिए नहीं रहना चाहिए, ता ज़िंदगी रहना चाहिए। एक छोटी सी कहानी सुनाती हूँ। एक बादशाह होता था, उसने सभी लोगों को बुलाया, वज़ीर को बुलाया, सब लोगों को एक अनाउंसमेंट किया। एक पोटली है, इसमें हीरे जवाहरात हैं, हीरे रियल भी हैं और हीरे आर्टिफिशियल भी है। जो वो मुझे बताएगा कि हाँ इसमें से कौन सा आर्टिफिशियल है, कौन सा रियल है, और उसको मैं पूरे हीरे दे दूँगा। और लेकिन अगर नहीं बता पाए, जो जोरी नहीं बता पाया, उसको फांसी पे चढ़ा देंगे। कई सारे जोरी आए, नहीं बता पाए। उसके बाद लास्ट में एक ब्लाइंड मैन आता है, अंधा एक आदमी। वो कहता है मैं बताता हूँ। राजा कहता है इतने सारे जोरी आए, वो नहीं बता पाए आँखों वाले, ये अंधा आदमी बेचारा कैसे बता पाएगा और मैं इसको कैसे सजा दूँगा। उसने कहा बादशाह सलामत, मुझे आप एक मौका तो दें। उन सारे हीरों को धूप में ले गया। 1 घंटे बाद वो वापस आता है, सेग्रीगेट करता है कि ये आर्टिफिशियल है और ये रियल है। और सही मायने में जो उसका सेग्रीगेशन था, दैट वाज परफेक्ट। उसने कहा इतनी सी बात थी, जो सही हीरा है वो धूप में भी, धूप की तपिश में भी गर्म नहीं होगा। जो प्लास्टिक है, जो नकली है, वो गर्म हो जाएगा। इसका मतलब क्या है? सही इंसान वही हीरा है। कितने भी थपेड़े लगें, कितनी भी मेहनत करनी पड़े, कितनी भी नाकामियाँ उसने झेली हो, तभी वो डरता नहीं है, उसको तपिश नहीं लगती, वो गर्म नहीं होता, वो आगे बढ़ता चला जाता है। तो बच्चों, आप लोगों ने प्रूव करना है कि आप हीरे हो और सच्चे हीरे हो, जो आगे बढ़ना चाहते हो और बढ़ते रहोगे। एक चीज़ और भी बताती हूँ, काउंसिल का मेंबर बनने के लिए बहुत सारी प्लानिंग करनी पड़ती है। जैसे सपोज़ आप ट्रैकिंग के लिए जा रहे हैं, आपको पहाड़ पे चढ़ना है, बहुत सारी प्लानिंग करते हैं। आप नीचे बैठे बैठे कैसे करना है, वैसे करना है। जैसे जैसे आप पहाड़ पे ऊपर चढ़ना शुरू करते हैं, तो हर कदम पे आपको प्लानिंग अपनी चेंज करनी पड़ती है। पहाड़ आपकी प्लानिंग के हिसाब से नहीं बदलेगा, आपको अपनी प्लानिंग पहाड़ के हिसाब से बदलनी पड़ती है. What I mean to say through this very example, theoretically we are going to make many rules and regulation, then how to excel in the life, but every step of our life teach us something very new, and we must have the adaptability to mold ourselves according to the situation. बहुत सारी बातें आपको बताने की बातें कभी भी मैडम की ख़त्म नहीं होती हैं. प्यारे बच्चों, एक बात ज़रूर कहना चाहूँगी, जब आप इस पायदान पे पहुँच गए हो, स्पेशल एक कैटेगरी में आ गए हो, दैट यू आर इलेक्टेड काउंसिल स्टूडेंट, नाउ यू विल हैव टू प्रूव दैट रियली यू डिज़र्व इट. और उसके लिए सबसे पहले ज़रूरी है कि आपको एक अच्छा इंसान बनना है. यू वांट टू बिकम गुड ह्यूमन बीइंग. आपने अच्छे संस्कार लेने हैं और उन संस्कारों को आगे स्प्रेड करना है. अपने स्कूल के नाम को आगे लेके जाना है, अपने देश के नाम को आगे लेके जाना है. लास्ट में यही कहना चाहूँगी, जज्बा रखो, बहुत कुछ करना है. ज़िंदगी बहुत छोटी है, इसका एक एक लम्हा, एक एक पल आपने बेस्ट पॉसिबल वे में यूटिलाइज़ करना है. So now once again I like to congratulate all of you and wish you all very good luck for this new venture. Thank you so much. God bless all of you.
Thank you, ma'am. Your words have instilled our spirit. The greatest power in existence is Shiva. Shiva means nothingness. Nothingness is the very basis of everything. So let's have begin it up with a marvelous performance on Shiv Vandana.
नमः शिवाय. अम्भोधर श्यामल कुन्तलायै कटिप्रभाताम्र जटाधराय. अम्भोधर श्यामल कुन्तलायै कटिप्रभाताम्र जटाधराय. गिरीश्वरायै निखिलेश्वराय. गिरीश्वरायै निखिलेश्वराय. नमः शिवायै च नमः शिवाय. अम्बोधर श्यामल कुन्तलायै कटिप्रभाताम्र जटाधराय. गिरीश्वरायै निखिलेश्वराय. नमः शिवायै च नमः शिवाय. गरि गरि सरि ग सरि ग ग ग नि प गरि सरि ग गरि सरि ग सरि ग ग नि प गरि सरि ग नि सरि सरि ग प गरि सरि ग प ग सनि प गरि सरि ग प ग नि प नि सनि सरि ग प गरि सा. लास्यदायै समस्त संहारक ताण्डवायै. जगज्जनन्यै जगदेकपीत्रे. नमः शिवायै च नमः शिवाय. सगम पाम गम पनि सनि पम पनि सनि पाम ग गम पनि सनि.
जम तकिट तकत जम तकिट झुम तजम तकिट तक धिमी तकताम.
सगसनि गत्तनि किसनि पदाति प मपनि सनि तग
तक धिमी तक जम झुम धिमी तक जम धिमी किट तक जम ता.
Inspiration is some mysterious blessing which happens when the wheels are turning smoothly. We are honored to welcome Anshuman Duna Sir, Judicial Magistrate, to bless us with his
My
inspiration.
name is Anshuman Dunna, currently designated as Secretary DLSA District Legal Services Authority at Mahoba, Uttar Pradesh. Born and brought up in Delhi, done my graduation BCom Honours from University of Delhi, simultaneously completed my Chartered Accountancy from Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Alongside that, I completed my LLB from Campus Law Center, Faculty of Law, University of Delhi. I would like to thank St. Angel School for giving me this opportunity to be part of this occasion. This was about me, and now let's talk about why am I here. Determination. Determination is the key to be successful in life. Set a goal and ensure constant efforts towards achieving the goals. Let me tell you my story. When I was in school being a backbencher, but mind you, always good at my sports. Like everyone else, wanted to become an engineer, chartered accountant, doctor and so on. So was I, flowing in the same direction and accomplished my goal of becoming a successful chartered accountant. However, amidst all the books and exams, I wasn't feeling successful. Thereby, started to discover and unfold this glorious chapter of my life, that is, road to becoming a judicial officer. It took me around 3 years to reach what I dreamt about, with a couple of failures of course, but I never left hope. I was determined enough to reach my goal and crack MP Judicial Service at first and followed by UP Judicial Services and embarked my name in golden alphabets in the books of Judicial Services family. And here I am on the other side of the computer asking you all to be determined in life, not just only in your professional careers but personally as well. Now I would like to congratulate to all the council members. There is a famous saying of Harry Emerson, democracy is based upon conviction. There are extraordinary possibilities in ordinary people. I feel blessed to address the young leaders who are experiencing free and fair elections, nominations, voting systems under one roof at St. Angel School. I am sure you will respect your post and fulfill your duties wholeheartedly. Participating in extracurricular activities that enhance the personality and leadership qualities will help you create a niche for yourself. I wish you all a very good luck for your future endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Your words mean a lot to us.
Thank you, Benita. The Student Council was elected through a fair process of active participation of students and teachers. First off, interested students were asked what category they wanted to opt for and why, which was followed by a virtual interview of them with teachers and in charges. Subsequently, 2 final contenders were shortlisted in each category by the teachers through an honest and fair discussion. And that's when student body came to power. The competitors also recorded a clip proclaiming their manifestos and duties to students. Thereafter, each student of senior department was asked to vote for their leaders. Based on the result of the council elections, our newly formed senior vice council came into existence. and was given the responsibility to represent the school. So here our senior council want to convey a message to their juniors through a small video.
A warm greeting to all. I, Jaspreet Singh, was designated as Vice Cultural Head Boy. I would like to relay the message to my juniors that all your dreams will come true if you dare to pursue it. Therefore, I want you all to consider each obstacle as an opportunity and a chance for improvement. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I, Kurmanshi Sanjay, was elected as the Vice Cultural Head Girl of St. Angels. I want to convey a message to my juniors that all the very best. With a smile on your face, start this new journey. Enjoy and cherish every single moment of it and work hard. Thank you.
I, Keshav Garg, was elected as the Vice Sports Captain of St. Angels for the session 2021. Good luck to all the upcoming members of my Vice Council. I hope you all will continue to strive for your goals and bring out the better version of yourself and the school in the best possible way. Thank you.
I, Ashika Bish, was elected as Vice Sports Captain Girl last year. At last, I would like to convey a message to newly elected junior council that nothing is impossible unless you will do that thing with your full dedication and ability. Work hard, dream big, never give up. Wishing you good luck. Thank you.
I am Anushka Garg and I was the Vice English Editor of St. Angels for the session 2020-21. To the newly selected council, I just want to say that you will find people along the way who will tell you that being part of a council is not a big thing. But always remember that it is an honor to be part of the council. Thank you and all the best.
प्रभात, मैं मानसी विशिष्ट गत वर्ष उप हिंदी संपादक के रूप में नियुक्त की गई थी। सबसे पहले मैं अपने विद्यालय के अधिकारियों के प्रति आभार व्यक्त करती हूँ जिन्होंने मुझे यह अवसर प्रदान किया। यह एक अद्भुत अनुभव रहा। हमारे शिक्षकों के ज्ञान और अनुभव ने मुझे अन्वेषण करने की प्रेरणा दी। इससे मुझे एक आत्मविश्वासी व्यक्ति के रूप में विकसित होने का मौका मिला। अंत में मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी, क्या खोजते हो दुनिया में जब तक सब कुछ तुम्हारे अंदर है? क्या देखते हो औरों में जब तुम्हारा मन ही दर्पण है? धन्यवाद।
Leaders are not born, they are made. The very essence of leadership is that you have to have a vision. So let's hear it from our former head boy, Bilwin Baby, 2021 session, and former head girl, Shelly, 1920 session.
Hello everyone, my name is Bilwin Baby and I was part of the Students' Council being the head boy of St. Angels. Being in the council was a great learning experience indeed. The first thing that the council teaches you is time management. You learn how to make the maximum out of the limited time you have. It's a general perception that it has a negative effect on your academic life. But I assure you, if you learn out the right balance, which the council eventually teaches you, you would be able to chase your academic goals along with developing your personality. The second thing that the council teaches you is confidence. Earlier, if I got 2 tasks, I would worry whether I would be able to do it or not. But now, if you give me some tasks, at least I will not panic or burn out because of it. The third thing that the council teaches you is communication. If I'm able to communicate with you all today calmly, I think council had a great role to play in it. Also, the teamwork and the leadership qualities that we learn are very beneficial in the long run. And most of all, you make some really sweet memories which will stay with you once you leave the school. So, I encourage you to embrace this opportunity wholeheartedly. Thank you and all the best.
Hi everyone, I am Shelly Sharma. I was a part of the St. Angels Student Council, Head Girl Batch 2019-20. Being a member of the Student Council enhances your personality multifold and gives you thousands of memories to cherish on. I learned how to express and present myself. it taught me that sometimes you need to rely on others. You can't do everything yourself, so trust your team. Sometimes you will be disappointed, but when you have a great group of people to work with, there is no need to worry. I learned that leadership is about being that person who others can look up to and come to. Back in time, I used to be really nervous. Will I be selected for the student council or not? But it was only later that I realized your designation does not matter, as long as you learn and give others the space to grow as well. Today, as I look at the newly elected councillors, I feel nostalgic and emotional, as well as proud. Respect your teachers and seniors. Treat your juniors well. Remember that the more you teach and help others, the more you learn. To conclude, I am always here to support and guide each one of you as part of my St. Angels family. Be better than us. I trust you, so you trust yourself. Congratulations, thank you, and all the very best.
Wow, how amazingly Senior Council has presented themselves. Outstanding leaders go out of the way to boost the self-esteem of their person. If people believe in themselves, it's amazing what they can accomplish. Let's welcome the newly student council to come up on the stage for their badge bestowing ceremony. Management is doing things right. Leadership is doing the right things. For the designation of head boy, the school has selected its pride to hold the command. Yes, he is Aman Rani. We request Neelam ma'am to bestow the badge of responsibility to him. Aman is well deserving, humble, and has respect for resources.
Thank you, Aman. We wish you best of luck in all of your future endeavors. You will be great. Perfection is not attainable, but if we chase perfection, we can catch excellence. For the position of head girl, we have Gunjita Goyal. We request Neelam ma'am to confer the badge to her. Gunjita is polite, empathetic, generous, sincere, and wholesome commitment. She is the epitome of grace and an inspiration for her juniors.
Thank you, Gunjita, and here's wishing you all the very best for your future adventures that life has in store for you. For the responsibility of cultural head girl, we have Jaspreet Singh. He is courageous, considerate, persistent, and courteous. For the designation of cultural, we have Purvanshi Singh. Purvanshi is creative, persistent, versatile, and able. To hold the position of sports captain boy, we have Keshav Garg. Keshav is energetic and ambitious sportsman. He is easygoing and fearless. Now, for the designation of sports captain girl, we have Yashika Best. She is active, adventurous, and self-disciplined. For the duty of English editor, we have Manushka Goel. Manushka is compassionate, hardworking, innovative, considerate, and has a great command over English language. For the designation of Hindi editor, we have Mansi Vishesh. She is sincere, obstinate, polite,
Senior Student Council have just been conferred with their badges. Now it's the time for them to pass the same duties to their deserving juniors as well. So, for the designation of Vice Head Boy, Shubham has been elected. I request DM Mishra Sir to confer the badge of responsibility to him. Shubham is considerate, generous, diligent, adaptable and enthusiastic.
Thank you, Shubham. Hope you bring laurels to the school. Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. For the position of Vice Head Girl, we have Chehik Prem. I request Leena Ma'am to bestow the badge of authority to him. Chehik is cheerful, determined, decisive, well-disciplined, courageous and persistent.
For the duties of Vice Cultural Head Boy, we have Yash Jain. Yash is creative, helpful, hardworking and optimistic.
Janvi Devgan is elected as the Vice Cultural Head Girl. She is proactive, reliable, thoughtful and rational.
For the responsibility of Vice Sports Captain Boy, we have Tanishq Agarwal. He is honest, decisive and courageous.
For the responsibility of Vice Sports Captain Girl, we have Damayanti. She is faithful, proactive and influential.
For the designation of Vice English Editor, we have Nishtha. Nishtha has got a great command over English language and is very innovative and self-confident.
Kanika is assigned with the duties of Vice Hindi Editor. She has got beautiful handwriting and is practical and polite.
For the designation of Vice Environmental Head, we have Sabu. She is sensitive towards nature, sincere and frank.
Lalit has been elected as the Vice Digital Head of the school. Lalit is our IT enthusiast. He is creative, innovative and generous. All the best for your future endeavors.
People who succeed have momentum. The more they succeed, the more they want to succeed, and the more they find a way to succeed. Similarly, when someone is failing, the tendency is to get on a downward spiral that can even become a self-fulfilling prophecy. Now, it's the time to bestow the badges to Vice House captains.
From Vivekanand House, we have Sanvi and Smriti. The tagline of this house is "Work is Worship."
From Dayanand House, we have Ashwarya and Gurpreet. The principle of this house is equality for progress.
From Kabir House, we have Krishna and Riya. The tagline of this house is "Strength lies in unity."
Moving forward, from Guru Nanak House, we have Pushkar and Vatsal. The belief of this house is love for humanity.
Now it's time to bestow the badges to the newly elected junior council of the school. A leader is the one who knows the way, goes the way and shows the way. For the designation of junior head boy, we have Divyansh. We request Divya ma'am to bestow the badge of responsibility to him. Divyansh is well deserving, hardworking, humble and compassionate.
Thank you, Divyansh. We wish you the best of luck for your future. You will be great. The key to successful leadership today is influence, not authority. For the position of junior head girl, we have Ananya. We request our ma'am to confer her badge of authority. Ananya is polite, persistent, sincere and generous. Thank you, Ananya. And here's wishing you very best for all the new ventures that life has in store for you.
For the responsibility of junior cultural head boy, we have Ayush Kumar. Ayush is innovative, rational, responsible and courteous.
Ridhima is elected as the junior cultural head girl. Ridhima is creative, considerate and empathetic.
To hold the position of junior sports captain boy, we have Pratham. Now for the designation of junior sports captain girl, we have Samiksha. She is active and self-disciplined.
For the designation of junior Hindi editor, we have Sneha. We request Aba ma'am to bestow the badge to her. Sneha is responsible and observant.
Thank you to the Dean. May you achieve great heights.
I request all to take their seats. We hope that the newly elected student council will fulfill all their great duties and responsibilities with utmost dedication and hard work. The only thing to remember is that the heights reached by the great were not attained in the sudden flight, but while their companions slept, they were toiling upwards in the night.
Difficult roads always lead to beautiful destinations. So it is the time for the new student council to tread new paths and achieve the pinnacle to success. With this hope, we bid you an official goodbye. Au revoir. The lighting of candle is good to cleanse your emotional and spiritual body, replacing negative energies with positive. The candle removes blockages. Hence, I would call upon the appointed council team to light their candle of cognizance and erudition. The lighted candle symbolizes a prayer offering, where we present our petitions to the Lord. This light, as it is kept burning, illuminates our spiritual duties and would help us to rise to an occasion and do things beyond our expectation. However, such acts would spring from a well of selflessness and not with an
Give me oil in my lamp, keep me burning. Give me oil in my lamp, I pray. Give me oil in my lamp, keep me burning, burning, burning. Keep me burning till the break of day. Sing, Hosanna, sing, Hosanna, sing, Hosanna to the King.
Now we can see the contingents are ready with their badges and responsibilities on their shoulders, ready to take the oath and to abide by every word of it and take St. Angels to Zenith.
Take position for the oath.
I, Aman Rana, head boy of St. Angels.
I, Gunjita, head girl of St. Angels.
I, Shubham, vice head boy of St. Angels.
I, Chehek Rehan, vice head girl of St. Angels.
Pledge to abide by the rules and regulations of the school. In its true spirit. And undertake to fulfill. All the duties and responsibilities. Assigned to me. With utmost dedication. And distinction. To set an example. Worthy of my juniors to follow. And to keep up the purple flag of St. Angels. Amen.
May God help you to fulfill the promises that you have made. We cannot play a symphony alone. It takes an orchestra to play it. Let's welcome the troupe of musicians to create their magic in everyone's heart and mind. was. Now, I request head boy and head girl to express their ethical and moral duties as the co-representative of the school.
If your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more and become more, you are a leader. Today I, Aman Rana, speak here as the head boy of this esteemed institution. Having grown as a student in a prestigious school, I, along with my fellow council members, can confidently say that we have made headway to the pinnacles of success. With each challenge, we unlock some part of ourselves within. So I want you all to see each challenge as an opportunity for betterment. As we enter this online dimension, no doubt it will be a challenging year for us. But I will try to play my part to help and lead the school to the positive direction. And I am eased at knowing that I am not alone in this quest. With me there are my fellow council members who will form the perfect team. Under the guidance and support of our esteemed teachers, along with following our GEM core values, we aim to devise an educational, motivational and pleasant environment. This instills a sense of pride and responsibility in me. I pledge to keep the torch lighting the way continuously ignited. Together, the St. Angel's family will cross the obstacles and leap forward on our academic journey. Thank you.
Of learning, but a place where we all grew up making bonds with each other. Today, on the occasion of investiture ceremony, I feel overwhelmed when addressed with the designation of head girl of this prestigious institution. I feel privileged for the love and care which I have harnessed from each and every teacher here. Standing here, I feel grateful towards my family. I feel blessed to have such great comrades with me. These 7 people, Aman, Jaspreet, Purvanshi, Keshav, Yashika, Manushka and Mansi. These people are the reason I am here. No matter how much we have quarreled over the past year, but this team has been there for every task. Last year was a roller coaster ride. This year is a new beginning, a new package of challenges. We are an army together, we will conquer it and make the best out of it. Taking an opportunity here, I would exclusively like to talk to my juniors. There are a couple of things that I want to say to the newly elected Vice Council. The primary motive of a student council is to bridge the gap between the student body and the faculty. A democratically elected council carries the responsibility of conveying and solving the problems of the fellow students and creating a healthy environment for joyful learning. This is the priority. Functions will come and go, but you will be remembered for easing this complex structure of education. The second thing that I want to say is something I myself learned from my seniors and just want to pass on the legacy. My seniors, Shelly, Bilvin and Anushri, taught me that a council member should be very sincere and determined in carrying out the tasks, but at the same time, amiable and easygoing towards the classmates and the juniors. These values will not only help you build a great relationship during your council years, but will also make you a better human being. To my younger juniors in the Junior Student Council, each one of you is a great asset to the school. Each of you has immense potential and hidden talents. This investiture ceremony might seem a cakewalk, but the coming year is going to be very tough. You will be getting more than what your little hands can handle. But trust me, when the time comes and you stand here at my place and address your juniors, you would be having so many experiences that you would be saying a lot more than me. Where you stand now is the stage 1. Make sure that the foundation is strong. To all the council members and house captains, we are the leaders of today and tomorrow. Let us together build a happy place. Thank you.
Thank you, Gunchita and Aman. We hope you bring laurels to the school. The Indian Air Force is known for its commitment to excellence and professionalism. Keeping pace with the demands of contemporary advancements, the Indian Air Force continues to modernize in a phased manner. And today, it stands as a credible air power counted among the foremost professional services in the world. Today, we feel proud to have esteemed Deepak Ahluwalia Sir, Group Captain Air Force, among us. We feel privileged to share this day with you.
Greetings. Dear pillars of the nation, the mentors, guides, and not to miss the dear parents. I feel privileged and honored to address the group of elected student council of St. Angel's School, Rohini. Wish I was sitting across and one of you was giving this talk. Thank you indeed. Any congregation of people has to select spearheads to guide them, and you are the chosen ones, and I'm sure you all will not question your selection by being upright and always choosing the harder right instead of the easier wrong. You are the torch bearers, the ambassadors of your school, leaders who will make a difference in times to come and give a new dimension to the community and the world. You are the eyes, ears and mouths of your school, administration, and we all are sure that what you have imbibed in the last few years will be put to the best use in your daily dealings. The human race is going through tough times in terms of survival, safety, finances, etc. I'm sure keeping all checks and balances in mind, we all shall emerge as winners. The basic requirement of life should not be forgotten. That is happiness, physical activity and giving due diligence to your work, studies in your case. Let me give you a guru mantra, a word panic, which you should follow. P is for punctuality, A for alertness, N for navigation, I for initiative, C for cohesiveness. Be safe, be happy, be healthy and play hard. And remember, a winner never quits and a quitter never wins. God bless. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Your words are the guiding spirit for us. Now, I request the newly elected vice head boy to express his behavioral and moral duties as the co-representative of the school.
Coming together is the beginning, keeping together is progress, and working together is success. Good morning, everyone. I pay my warmest regards to the present dignitaries. I, Shubham, selected as the vice head boy. I have always believed that a perfect student has an ideal blend of academic performance, excellence in sports, merit in cultural activities, and above all, ethics and values that shapes him into a human being. This prestigious institution has given me beyond limits, for which I would always remain thankful for. Never in my whole life would I ever be able to pay back what this school has done for me. But yes, this designation will surely help me to contribute a little. I express my gratitude towards the illuminating and esteemed visions of our school heads. Chairman sir, Principal ma'am, Director sir, HOD Science, Head of the school, esteemed headmistress, and all the persistent teachers, the school management, the kind staff, and all the students, aspirants who put trust in my ability to lead and produce results. I assure you that I will do every possible thing to make our school scale the heights of success and add more feathers to the kingly crown of St. Angel's. May the purple flag always remain high. Thank you.
Thank you, Shubham. We hope that you add more shimmering feathers to the kingly crown of St. Angel's. Take up one idea, make that one idea your life. Think of it, dream of it, and live on that idea. Let the brain, muscles, nerves, and every part of your body be full of that idea, and just leave every other idea alone. This is the way to success. Now, we would like to invite Neelam Singh Ma'am, Vice Principal, St. Angel's, to present her heartfelt gratitude in the form of vote of thanks.
Greetings to one and all. Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, Director Sir, Shweta Ma'am, Mishra Sir, HM Ma'am, my respected guests, my dear colleagues and students. I take this opportunity to thank all of you for being a part of this solemn occasion, the investiture ceremony. Leadership is not a position or a title, it's an action and an example. So kudos to the young elected leaders of the new Student Council 2021. This is your first step to inspire others. In a team of council, each one of you are a leader who should be ready to mentor the other students. You all are young representatives of the entire student fraternity. So focus on developing others, maintaining school culture, raising environmental awareness, and promoting selfless service towards the community. Be a leader to promote leadership. I take this opportunity also to thank the entire team of St. Angel's teaching and non-teaching staff, and also the students for understanding, abiding, and working for this event in the present challenging pandemic times. Thank you.
At the outset, I express my thanks for making me a part of investiture ceremony. I congratulate the newly elected Student Council of St. Angel's School Rohini and wish them well in carrying out their responsibility. This is a small step towards acquiring leadership qualities. It is a great responsibility the school has bestowed upon you all, so make sure you carry it out well. At last, I trust and wish every student of the school comes out with flying colors in academics. Please stay safe and healthy and follow all COVID norms. Thanks.
The assembly should be ended in a patriotic way, and what can be more patriotic than our national anthem? So let everybody stand to pay tribute to our nation.
All drop! Steady!
One!
Attention!
One! Get ready for the national anthem!
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात